Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying your studies. Today we'll do International Place Value System. We had done with Indian Place Value System. Now our new system is International Place Value System. This is our table. You had seen in the table that there are three periods, ones, thousands and millions. And we had three places in each period, that is three places in ones period, three places at thousands period and three places at millions period. Symbols are also described here, that is O is for ones, T is for tens, H is for hundreds. This is in ones period. TH is for thousands, T dot TH is for 10,000s, H dot TH is for 100,000s. Next moves to millions period. M for millions, TM for 10 millions and H dot M for 100 millions. Now we'll move with one example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will we write this in International Place Value System? Now there are three periods, millions, thousands and ones. So 1, 2, 3 is in millions period, 4, 5, 6 is in thousands period and 7, 8, 9 is in ones period, as you have seen. So what we'll do? We'll insert comma after every period. That is, insert or put comma between every periods. 1, 2, 3 is in one period, put comma. 4, 5, 6 is in another period, comma. 7, 8, 9 is in last period. So this is how we'll put comma. Now next is how to write number name for the given numeral. We had taken this example. Now what are the rules? Let's see the steps. Steps are, write the number name for the numeral at millions period and then write million after it. After that, write the number name for numeral at thousands period, write down thousands, and number name of ones period to all of us know, है ना? So how to write? That is 123 million, comma 456,000, comma 789. This is how we'll write the number name. Take some examples. First example is 25, 906, 253. There are three periods because two commas are there. So first period का आप नंबर उठाइए 25. कौन से पीरियड में है? मिलियन, 25 मिलियन. सेकेंड पीरियड 906. कौन से पीरियड में है? 1000, 906,000, कॉमा लास्ट पीरियड 253. So the number name is 25,906,253. Next example 104, 058, 892. फर्स्ट पीरियड का नंबर नेम लिखिए 104. पीरियड नेम इज मिलियन, 104 मिलियन, कॉमा नेक्स्ट का नंबर नेम क्या होगा? 058, दैट इज 58, क्योंकि जीरो के लिए तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं लिखते हम नंबर नेम में. तो 58. पीरियड का नंबर इज 1000 एंड लास्ट में न्यूमरल हमारा क्या बचा? 892. सो द नंबर नेम इज 104 मिलियन 58,892. Next example 420, 007, 010. So again three periods. First period का number name is 420 and period name is million. Second का number name is 7, period name is 1000 and third का is 10. So the number name is 420 million 7,010. Next example 9, 841, 005. फर्स्ट पीरियड में इस अकेला नंबर 9, सो इट्स 9 मिलियन. सेकेंड का नंबर नेम बोलो 841, आगे क्या लगाऊंगी? 1000 और लास्ट का नंबर नेम 5, सो इट्स एंड 5. 9,841,005. Now, what if we have numeral for the given number name? That is, if we are asked to find the numeral and we are given with number name, here we'll again do the same, that is vice versa. So what we'll do, we'll found the periods first and then write the numeral for each period. That is 123 is at millions period. So it's 123 comma thousands period में is 456, 456 comma ones period में is 789. So it is 123 comma 456 comma 789. Take few examples. First example is 900,502,600. So millions पे is 900, 900, comma thousands पे is 502, that is 502, comma ones पे is 600, that is 600. So the numeral is 900, comma 502, comma 600. Next example, 8,548,020. Again we'll found the numerals for periods. Million पे is 8, comma thousands पे is 548, 548, comma and 20. So ones पे is 0 to 0. So the number का numeral is 8, comma 548, comma 0 to 0. Next example, 63,542,007. Millions पे is 63, 63, comma thousands पे is 542, 542 and ones पे is 7. So it is 007. So the numeral is 63, comma 542, comma 007. Next example, 59,456. So million पे is 30, 30, comma thousands पे is 59, 059, comma ones पे is 456, that is 456. So the numeral is 30, comma 059, comma 456. If we were asked to find the place value of underlined digit according to International Place Value System, let's take an example. It is 950, 256, 173. That is 950,256,173. So underlined digit is 5. First of all, we'll find the place value, that is place of the digit that is underlined. So 5 is at millions period and 10 million position. Place is 10 million. So the place value is 5 into 10 million, that is 50 million. So the place value of 5 is 50 millions, that is 50, 000, 000. Now you'll have to practice this exercise and do all the question of this exercise. After that, we'll conduct a simple self-practice assessment test on Saturday. Best of luck for this test and revise all the modules before going for a test. Thank you.